For those who know me, they know that two areas of fitness I dislike with a passion are both ab work and cardio. I wish I could say that the perfect ab carver made ab training fun, but that would be a lie. However, this video is not about making ab training fun. It's about whether or not this product is worth getting. Let's get into it. Though the exercise selection for a device like this is rather limited, the overall effectiveness is not. Ab wheels in general will light up your abs, and the perfect ab carver is no exception. You can add or reduce resistance by increasing or reducing your overall travel with every rep. There are also different variations of ab rolling exercises that one can try to provide more emphasis on the obliques if one wishes to do so. It is also worth noting that you are not just working your abs with this device. However, you are recruiting muscles from all over the body, while providing additional training stimulus to those areas as well. One unique feature that the perfect ab carver offers versus conventional ab rollers is the built-in spring, which assists the user during the second part of the rep or the rollback, making the overall exercise easier. If you are new at performing this exercise, then this spring will be most helpful. There is also a perfect Ab Carver Pro. From what I can tell, the only differences from the regular version is that this unit is dark red in color instead of white. And it comes with a knee pad accessory for added comfort. The price for the perfect ab carver is $29.99 USD direct off their website, while the Pro version goes for $37.99 USD. This can be a very cost-effective way to enter the ab workout game in comparison to other more expensive options, such as a dedicated ab bench. For more seasoned veterans who are used to using regular ab wheels, may find this unit too easy due to the assist the spring provides. While this same spring will be most welcomed by newcomers to the fitness game or to ab wheels in general. Is this unit right for you? As usual, the decision is up to you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Comment if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video.